Now before we begin, I would like to address the elephant in the room. No, not that one. I'm talking about the marketing from True Classic Tees lately, which has risen some concern from new viewers on whether my video reviews are authentic or paid for. You see, marketing on social media has taken a huge shift from, well edited, high quality videos to hiring influencers to make an ad from their phone to make it seem more genuine and laid back. Here are some examples.
Fits my arms nice and snug.
It's big and baggy, just not really flattering. As you can see, hugs my arms a little better all throughout my shoulders, but isn't tight throughout the body.
They're super comfortable, they fit really well.
100% by far the most comfortable t-shirt.
I'm in my mid-30s. I feel like I'm still some sort of young dad.
Now this one right here is my favorite.
You don't have to work out to look good in these shirts. These shirts will do that job for you.
Bruh.
You can't make this up, man. Listen, man. I'm not here to blow smoke up your ass. I just give a rundown on the product and give my honest thoughts. I think, adding false claims like you no longer have to work out or you'll be getting laid if you wear XYZ adds zero value to you guys. And I'm also not here to insult your intelligence. So, no, this video is not an advertisement or sponsorship. If it were, then I am doing something very, very, very illegal. But anyways, I did reach out to True Classic Tees if I could review their polos, and they were kind enough to agree. And they also sent me a few extras, such as a hoodie and jogger set, as well as boxers. So let's get started with their polos. Now, when I first felt the fabric, I noticed that it feels exactly like their t-shirts. And when I double checked the label, it is made out of the same blend of fabrics as well as their t-shirts. Also, the collar is about the same thickness as the rest of the t-shirt. It's a very low profile collar that makes it lean towards more the casual side. As for the fit, I would say that these run a bit more snug compared to their t-shirts. I think next time I will size up to a large, and if you're in the dad bod zone, I would suggest maybe going up 2 sizes because the sides feel much more tapered. Now they did manage to keep their signature fit for the shoulders, arms, and chest, which hugs the area very well without stretching out throughout the day. I would know because I also, took the green one for a test run. And of course I had to do the wash test. I did put it through a hot cycle, and as you can see, there is some fabric pulling on the chest and back area, so it did shrink a bit. But from experience, you can adjust and pull out a little bit in the areas you want more room. You'll be good to go. Now as for the hoodie and jogger set, it fits very true to size. I went with a medium. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's sort of like an indigo wash set. Now this blend of this fleece hoodie and the joggers, it's the same as their t-shirt, so I'm hoping it holds up just as well after a wash. Aside from the fit, it's also very cozy, but that's how all fleece feels like, really. Last but not least, they now have underwear, and these have them on. These actually surprised me because I was just expecting just a cotton or cotton polyester blend, but these feel very silky and just stretchy. They're made out of 92% micromodal and 8% elastane. Now, I'm more of a pouch underwear kind of guy, but these offer great support as well. My only issue is that it doesn't have an open fly. I mean, when I go to the bathroom, I'm more of a zip it out, poke it out, and pull it back in. So with these, it's more like a zip it out, pull it down, then whip it out, which is like an extra step. And I already have enough extra step with these damn pants already. I don't know, well, that's too much information, I don't know. But yeah guys, that's a quick little rundown on the True Classic Tee polos. I also want to thank my viewers for mentioning about the polos. I haven't gone back to the website in a while, so I didn't know they had polos, underwear, hoodies, I think socks now. But yeah guys, and I believe the code is still valid to get a discount as well. I'll make sure to link everything down in the description below. I'm losing my voice, and I would like to thank you guys for watching once again. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.